Hey there, welcome to Ventichic. This is the spot where future billionaires come for inspiration. You know, Rolex and Patek Philippe watches might be a bit out of reach for most of us, but fret not. We've got some incredible and affordable options that won't break the bank. Let me show you 3 expensive watches and their under £1,500 alternatives. And hey, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more fantastic content. Rolex Submariner. The Rolex Submariner, while not the first of its kind, has undoubtedly become the most renowned watch in the world. When people hear the word watch, it's often the Submariner that comes to mind. This timepiece is crafted from 904L steel, a special blend that provides superior resistance to saltwater corrosion compared to regular 316L steel. With its polished ceramic bezel insert, adorned with platinum, the Submariner exudes elegance and sophistication. The watch's heart beats with the in-house caliber 3135 movement, a certified Swiss chronometer ensuring precision and reliability. However, such luxury comes at a hefty price, £6,250, a cost that might deter many from experiencing the essence the Submariner embodies. Fortunately, Oris offers a fantastic alternative with their Divers 65, drawing inspiration from a vintage Oris dive watch from 1965. This timepiece perfectly balances vintage charm with modern features. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, quick-set date function, and a 42mm case bring contemporary convenience. Yet, it's the classic elements that truly captivate. The slender bezel, aged luminous paints, crown guard, large crown, and domed sapphire transport you to the era of its original design. To enhance the vintage theme even further, the watch can be paired with a distressed leather strap for an optional riveted bracelet. Powered by the reliable Sellita SW201 movement, the Divers 65 offers an appealing price point without compromising on style. While the Divers 65 may not match the Submariner's technical specifications, it certainly gives it a tough competition in terms of timeless appeal and allure. So for those seeking a touch of vintage nostalgia and elegance without the extravagant price tag, the Oris Divers 65 is an excellent choice. Liking this video helps support our channel, and sharing it with your friends and family would mean the world to us. Let's inspire and entertain as many people as possible. IWC Big Pilot. The IWC Big Pilot has achieved iconic status due to its purpose-built design for maximum legibility. With its 46mm case and classic pilot's dial featuring bold numerals, a triangle at 12 o'clock, and sword hands, it's become synonymous with the pilot's watch style. However, despite its fame, the Big Pilot was not the first pilot's watch to be conceived during the early days of aviation. Back then, various interpretations of the ideal aviation timepiece existed. Taking inspiration from those historical designs, the Montblanc 1858 small second offers a more budget-friendly alternative to the IWC's hefty price of £10,600. This watch pays attention to intricate details that mark its historical significance, like cathedral hands, a sub-seconds dial at 6 o'clock, and a hand-wound movement, an interesting feature for enthusiasts who appreciate the inner workings of timepieces. For those intrigued by the mechanical components of watches, the sapphire caseback of the Montblanc 1858 small second provides a captivating view of its large, lazy balance wheel. Despite being slightly smaller at 44mm compared to the Big Pilot, this watch still commands attention on the wrist. However, with a price tag of £50,000, it's not exactly a bargain. So if you admire the IWC Big Pilot's legibility and style, but seek a more affordable option with a historical touch, the Montblanc 1858 small second could be the perfect choice. Its unique features and impressive design will surely make a statement on your wrist without breaking the bank. Patek Philippe Column Wheel Chronograph. Priced at a substantial £59,350, this watch confidently positions itself alongside the likes of a BMW M3 or a significant house deposit. It proudly belongs to the upper echelon of timepieces, a realm that many of us can only dream of owning or even catching a glimpse of through a jeweler's window. The allure of this watch lies in its impressive array of features, including an annual calendar, power reserve indicator, chronograph, and day or night indicator, all elegantly enclosed within a tasteful 40.5mm case. At the heart of this horological marvel lies the caliber CH28520 movement, a true testament to Patek Philippe's unmatched expertise in the art of watchmaking. Each intricate detail is treated with the utmost care, akin to how royalty is cherished, showcasing the brand's commitment to precision and craftsmanship. However, with such a substantial price tag, this watch remains a luxury that many can only admire from afar. Yet, for those fortunate enough to acquire it, owning this timepiece becomes an emblem of sophistication and discerning taste. Whether you're an ardent watch enthusiast or simply appreciate the essence of time craftsmanship, this prestigious Patek Philippe watch is an embodiment of horological excellence and a testament to the enduring legacy of master watchmaking. Anyway, you can join our growing community by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. You'll be the first to know when we drop our latest videos, packed with entertainment and educational content. But let's face it, at such a hefty price, the 596 watch may remain a distant dream for many. Unless your pockets are as deep as the Mariana Trench, it's a luxury few can afford. However, don't despair. You have another attractive option in the Longines Heritage Column Wheel Chronograph, which offers a splendid alternative. While the Longines Heritage Column Wheel Chronograph might not offer an annual calendar or power reserve like the Patek Philippe, its column wheel chronograph is an impressive feature, especially considering its price point. Unlike the common cam-actuated chronographs, this one utilizes a sophisticated column wheel resembling a castle turret to coordinate levers and wheels, resulting in a smoother and more precise pusher feel. It's a delightful addition. The movement is elegantly housed in a 41mm case, complemented by a vibrant dial featuring colorful hands and markers. The only date window at 4:30 adds a touch of character without compromising the overall clean symmetry. Sure, it may not be on par with a Patek Philippe, but with money you'd spend on one of those, you could easily have 30 Longines Heritage Column Wheel chronographs. Money, no object. It's a fantastic choice. We all cherish our watch collections, filled with prestigious brands like Rolex, IWC, and Patek Philippe. However, sometimes reality intervenes and we need more budget-friendly options. Thankfully, brands like Oris, Montblanc, and Longines come to the rescue, offering remarkable timepieces at a fraction of the price. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to affordable alternative to an expensive watch? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Thank you for being a part of Ventichic. Don't miss out on any of our videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next updates.